In this video, I'm trying to use AI feature in Photoshop. I'm trying to generate an image of two wrestlers, and this is what I come up with.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, you're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
At some point I wanted to make two completely different characters, and I saw that those two characters were looking very similar. So I wanted to generate another one, and for some reason, after starting the Photoshop one more time, it worked, and it generated another character that was in the same style and looked very similar, but was a different character. So I was satisfied with it. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.